How to set Exely Price Monitor. Exely Price Monitor is a tool that helps hotels efficiently manage their pricing strategy and stay competitive in the market. Exely Price Monitor compares the price rates of your property with the price rates of your competitor hotels. Let's take a look at how to set up this Exely solution. You can make Exely Price Monitor settings in Price Monitor Settings. Let's look closer at every tab. In the List of Competitors tab, you can add hotels whose price rates you want to study. To add a competitor hotel to the list, take the following steps. Click the Add Competitor button. Search for the hotel you need. To do this, set filters by country, region, and city. Click the Add button on the right of the hotel's star rating. The number of competitor hotels that you can add depends on the Exely Price Monitor rate plan that you selected in the contract. If necessary, you can remove competitors from the list. To do this, click the Delete button in the Action column. In the Email Reports and Notifications tab, set the email newsletter with the report and notifications on price change. Click the Add a Notification button. Select a notification type, enter a name of the notification, and an email address to receive the notifications. Click the Create button to save. If you select Notification as a notification type on the next step, find the Followed Competitors section. Tick the hotels whose prices you want to add to the notification. Select what you want to be notified of. When you finish making settings, click the Save button at the top of the page. Room Type Filters. Add room type filters to generate comparison reports for each room type separately. Learn how to add room type filters in other videos. Price collection timing. Exely Price Monitor monitors price rates of competitor hotels every day at the set hour. You can set the time you need in the Price Collection Timing tab. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you can also use our knowledge base.